cute, thinks that he has a lot to offer, but he really doesn't.
I think that's with like dating guys in LA.
Yes, they all think that, oh, it couldn't be me, it's these girls. No,
Bryce.
Together. You really don't have a life. You don't have anything interesting to offer. And then you're wondering, and it's like, well, what do you think? Why do you think you deserve a quality one? Let's actually be honest.
Right, a lot of these guys
you deserve one.
deserve.
Let's run down your resume and see, why do you deserve a good woman?
Especially these men dating with no car. How are you gonna take me on a date and you don't have a car?
Exactly. Like, so now I have to be your chauffeur every time we do something. That doesn't make me feel sexy.
Are you gonna ask me to pay half when we go on a date too?
Right. So I was like, well, that's what I said. I mean, and the dishonesty, it's like they're not transparent about it. And then you know what? My thing is, some people shouldn't be dating. This is just a rule across the board. Not everybody should be dating. If you do not have a car, you don't have 2 cents in your bank account.
You can't take me on a date.
You can't do anything of quality other than Netflix and chill. Then just be honest about it. Don't masquerade yourself as looking for a relationship, as looking for something of substance, when all you can offer is your bedroom and your dick. That is not enough for me to pull my pants down and let you enter my world.
But a lot of men, they're like, oh, she's stuck up. Didn't you try to take me to Applebee's? Sure. I don't know where they do that at,
but see, they think they deserve Michelle Obama. They think they deserve Dr. Biden. They think they deserve the creme de la creme of women, and yet they don't even have a candle to offer. So it's sad, but this is the delusion that we're living in, is that a lot of these guys, they really are just, no one's telling them the truth.
No.
That's not
because a lot of them think that they're okay. Have you been watching Married at First Sight?
No.
Okay, there's this guy on there named Chris and a girl named Paige. So of course they got married at first sight. And he asked her like the first day, like, are you on birth control? Do you want to have a baby? And then over the next however it is, 2-3 weeks, she finds out he has a baby on the way by his ex-fiance. The girl's 6 weeks pregnant.
What?
And in the meantime, he's like, I'm not attracted to Paige, but I'm going to keep having sex with her every night. And it's like, what? Paige, why are you having sex with this man? You just met him.
Are they married or not?
Well, they got married at first sight. So the day they met, she's like, well, I'm his wife. And it's like, but he's rude. And he tells you he's not attracted to you. And
this is so bad. Where's her self-esteem? Where's her self-worth?
And she's like, well, I was telling the dad we were going to make a honeymoon baby. It's like, you don't even know these people.
Yeah, I don't know why these girls go on these shows. I mean, are we that desperate that we just have to marry a stranger in order to be validated somehow? I mean, that's what I'm trying to understand. What is the bottom line of this show? Is I can't get married for real, so I need to marry someone I've never met in order to...
I like the concept of this show because,
Have you ever watched it before?
they're matched by the experts. It's a good show. Yeah, put it on.
Yeah, put it
it's
on.
on Hulu.
Is Keanu here? Is it on Netflix too, though? Yeah, I would love
It's on Lifetime.
I would love to see, because I need to understand the premise.
That's crazy.
Uh-oh.
We should log into my, but it's my husband's account, so I don't know the password. Wait, no, it's my account. I still don't know the password.
Well.
Yeah, you got Married at First Sight. The concept is good.
It is.
It's just this particular couple, the guy, he just got his fiance pregnant, his ex-fiance. And like in the first show where he gets to meet her, her bridesmaids,
yeah.
He's like, oh, she's not a trophy wife. Like,
Oh.
who are you?
Oh. He's not
He's rude. Like, they're going through the cards and the money that they get on their wedding day. He's like, well, if it's cash in there, give me half. And she's like, we're married. Like, what are you talking about?
How did they let her get with somebody? I mean, this is what I mean. Did she have no say in?
No, the experts try to match people.
Well, this guy sounds like a jerk.
He's rude, and he's like, I'm gonna divorce you and try to be with my baby mama. And then when the three of them have to get together and have a sit down, she's like, I don't want to be with you.
The ex-fiance?
Right, the one that's pregnant.
Oh my gosh, so she's gonna have the baby, but she doesn't want to be with him.
Right. He just wants to divorce Paige because he's like, she's not as pretty as I'm used to. Beautiful girl. And he's rude. He's like, I make 3 times the amount you make. Like, who says that to their wife? Like,
oh my gosh, what a jerk off.
Right.
Gosh, I mean, that's what's so disappointing. It's guys like that think they're owed the world, and they're jerks, you know?
He's rude. He's like, I don't do joint bank accounts. Like,
oh.
who says that?
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope she's gonna get out of that.
I think so. He said he wanted to divorce her, but then he whispers in her ear, like, I'm just afraid I'm gonna fall in love with you.
What? This guy sounds crazy.
He's
Don't we do any
garbage.
mental health checks on this stuff?
Garbage.
Yeah, I couldn't do a show like that. It wouldn't last long.
Usually they're like good with the matches, and
Really?
it's like,
And it works out?
yeah, well, like half the time, but it's not because of a crazy narcissist like this guy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's too bad when nice women get stuck with a guy like that, you know? It's just, it's bad. It's really, really, really bad.
But dating it's a challenge nowadays.
It is.
I enjoyed online dating in my single days.
Well, I was thinking about trying it again.
I said just try, you know, you never know who you're gonna meet.
But see, then everybody's like, get on the paid site, and that's when I'm like, do I actually want to pay for this?
Well, I mean,
Because they think it's more serious, I guess.
yeah, I mean, I did the free sites, and I think one of them, I did like the paid option for a little bit. Oh, okay, we're married at first sight. It's cute.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, but it's the first week. I mean, but you get the gist.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Do any of you guys watch Married at First Sight?
Yeah, I need to see this.
It's a cute concept.
Wow, so the experts pick somebody.
Yeah, the experts usually do a decent-ish job. No, it's cute. It's about people being literally married at first sight. Yeah, you should watch. I mean, I love Married at First Sight and 90 Day Fiance. Like, I love, you know, watching people be in love kind of thing. But it's cute. We're putting on the first episode, so if you're watching, it's on. And if you're just tuning in, I'm curling my red wig. I'm using the wand curls. I'm Janice, owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, California. Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. This is our logo here. We're located here in Culver City, California. We're open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. And I'm going on a lunch date, so I'm just curling my hair. This is my red wig I've been wearing since my wedding. And me and my girl are just having a conversation here about dating. These curls I did like 3 weeks ago, so that's why I'm over here recurling if anybody has any questions. Thank you. Hi, honey. Hi, husband. I see you just text me about, I saw the text you just sent me. Honey, I'm curling my hair for date night. Hi, everybody. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, we're just having girl talk. Do we sell HD lace wigs? We don't sell HD lace. We just have, we have Swiss lace that is transparent, light brown. I don't particularly like the HD lace because it does not last as long. So yes, it will look good for that the first time you wear it, but my wigs will last you 1-2 years. As long as you take care of it, they're going to last you. And that is because there's a good foundation. I find that the HD lace, it just continues to fray and does not look good, so the wig does not last. Yes, I have Swiss lace. And my Swiss lace looks, you know, great. watching Married at First Sight and all of the 90 Day Fiancés. Okay, back to online dating. So, did you put your profile up?
So I made one.
Okay.
But it's not on a paid site.
Okay, what site?
I don't want everyone.
My husband and I met on POF.
That's how my mom and her boyfriend met. So.
Or maybe it was OK Cupid. I don't know, one of those two. Those were the two I was on.
Okay, so which one's better, OK Cupid or POF?
I like both. Both had crazy people, and you know I only needed one to work out. But both all with online dating. It's all crazy. So,
well, what are your tips for putting together a good profile? Like, do you remember what yours had on it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what would your advice?
Well, I know that people don't really read the profiles because they'll ask me questions that I posted in there.
Yeah, that happens to me too.
But I'll put enough for the people that will actually read.
Okay.
And I don't know, I wouldn't put too much. Like, I wouldn't put anything for, I don't know.
So keep it simple and put sexy pictures?
No sexy pictures.
Okay.
No,
So
because that's when the guys start sending those inappropriate pictures.
So what kind of pictures should I be putting on my profile?
Put a picture from you at my wedding.
Okay. Okay.
And I don't know, nothing too sexy, but sexy enough.
Okay.
You got a lot of good pictures, I know that.
Okay, let me see what I can do. Yeah, I need the art of putting together an effective profile that attracts the right type of man.
But you're always still gonna attract trash.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's going to attract trash.
Yeah, see?
But that's why you have to just kind of.
You gotta get back.
I had my profile up for like 3 years before my husband and I met.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So maybe I just haven't found the other one.
And then I would only kind of, go online if I was in the mental space to deal with online dating, because it definitely takes.
It takes a lot of energy.
Yeah, it takes energy. You gotta read people's energy when you're.
So true.
Like, are you gonna try to take me out and ask me to pay for half? If so, you ain't the one for me.
No, exactly.
Are you gonna just text me forever? No. If you have my number and we haven't met within 1 or 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's the thing with me. I don't want to do no more texting.
No.
Do not text me. We need to get on the phone.
Yeah. We can't FaceTime? Why? What's wrong with your phone or computer?
Exactly.
It's a no for me.
Well, and then the other thing is, now I'm at that age where it's like I can date younger or older, so like I'm considering younger. In fact, I mostly get younger guys after me. So now it's like,
Yeah, not 20.
no, I think it's usually the 30-year-olds, like 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'm getting the early 30s.
Early 30s? Early 30s men are still broke though.
I know, so that's the thing. It's like, do I just disqualify them? Do I just say you can't afford me?
I mean,
Because I don't just want a jackhammer. That's not where I'm at in my life. So, some of my older women friends, they go, oh, just get you a jackhammer, and it's like, I don't want a jackhammer. I really would like something more than that
Right.
at this point. So, I don't know. I've never really dated a younger guy. So do I give a younger guy a chance that seems cool?
if he seems cool,
Because I don't want to be nobody's mom.
right.
That is something I am not willing to do. I don't want your mommy issues.
No.
I don't want none of that. Has it together and isn't looking for someone to take care of them.
No, you need to be taken care
Yeah, I do. I absolutely
of. And you
do.
need a man that's not intimidated.
I have a lot of confidence.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, so I'm on Hinge and I'm looking at some of these guys now. Oh, okay, this guy's 40, 6'1", Christian, lives in downtown Long Beach. Okay, let's see here. No drugs, but he didn't answer any questions about drinking or smoking. Very dressed well. Let's see. Okay. Physical touch and acts of service are his love language.
Okay.
And
He doesn't say he's a massage therapist, though, right?
no, he works in healthcare.
Okay.
Revenue cycle director at Healthcare Finance. Okay, so he likes my photo, so now I have the option of matching with him. Yeah,
Hi.
I'm confused.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Okay, next. He's getting the X.
Because sense of style could mean like,
Yeah, what does that even mean? So then this guy says, the secret to getting to know me is a home cooked meal. He's 6'2", he's 34, he's an administrator.
a home cooked meal. So he's just telling all these women, I need you to cook for me. Sir, you need to cook your own food.
I know.
And then you need to learn how to order Postmates for
This
us.
turned me off. That did turn me off. He says, you'll know I like you if I put my arm around you.
So you're a creep with boundary issues.
That's weird. This is what you do on here. Like, this is what his profile says. So.
If I put my arm around you, what are you, Donald Trump, you old predator? Keep your arms to yourself. The heck?
Now, did your husband put his arm around you on your first date?
I don't remember that.
Okay.
But that wasn't on his profile for strangers. Creep.
So I'm gonna give him the X.
Who says that? You'll know if I like it if I put my arm around you. So I better not ever see you put your arm around nobody, because it's gonna be an issue. See? It's not gonna work.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's tough out here.
If I put my arm around you,
Yeah. Yeah, that's what he said.
what if I don't want you to touch me, weirdo?
I know. That's what I mean. A lot of these guys on here are clueless. And maybe that's why they're on here, you know? But sometimes it feels these are the guys.
Police told him, hey,
Yeah, right.
that's
No
not
one told
okay.
them. So I've got a few messages. Oh, okay. So there's this one. Okay, so I'm gonna read you the profile of this guy that I've been chatting with. So he is, all right, so he says, you'll know I like you if I call you instead of text you, if I check in on you daily, unexpected